Unboxing time! What's inside this mysterious box? The packaging looks sleek and professional. I'm excited. Let's open it up and see what's waiting for us. Right away, I spot the AppSumo branding. This is the B2B lead generation tool everyone's talking about. It promises to find and close leads 24/7. Perfect for sales pros, marketers, and business owners. First impression, the dashboard is clean and intuitive. I'm loving how easy it is to navigate. Let's dive into the lead discovery feature. Just a few clicks, and it starts finding leads automatically. No more manual searching. This feels revolutionary. The AI analyzes data and suggests high potential contacts. I can filter by industry, company size, and more. Now, let's try the personalized outreach function. The AI crafts tailored emails for each lead. It even adapts tone and style based on recipient. I'm impressed by how human these emails sound. Sending emails is quick. Just review and hit send. It tracks responses and helps you follow up. I love that everything's automated, but still feels personal. The real highlight, it works 24/7, no breaks needed. You can wake up to new leads every morning. For busy teams, this saves hours every week. It's like having a virtual sales assistant. The AI learns from your feedback and improves results. Let's check the analytics dashboard. Real-time stats show your outreach performance. I can see open rates, replies, and conversions. This helps me tweak campaigns for better results. Security features keep your data safe and private. Integration is simple with popular CRMs and email tools. No coding or tech skills required, just plug and play. I'm genuinely impressed by the automation here. The AI's personalization sets it apart from competitors. If you hate cold outreach, this tool is a lifesaver. It's ideal for scaling your sales without extra staff. But remember, you still need to review emails for accuracy. I recommend starting with a small campaign to test. Ready to transform your B2B lead process? Check out AppSumo's automated lead generation tool today. Don't miss out, try it, and boost your outreach.